I'm beeping penning forward.
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
I'm beeping penning forward here, Momra, Amamu. Momra na mumehe amamu. Me catch remo, Sani Amoyano, aha. Sabi, on my Ghana nim die nyanuru. Sadia na mubuman Ghana nim die nyanuru ho Ghana nya American NPP penning for New Patriotic Party penning for akandi for ni anamu ye ni nyina na mfa bibia amere party no Ghana nuru ho ka Ghana nim die duru ho a ka mo nko opposition da aha ma Ghana ni ho nkyere no Ghana ni ma ne ho nkyere no ana kwabana ne anya adwuma ye no ai Vako Oma Ibrahim Mahamanto Obeto ato woyire ahwene nyina woyire ahwene dana sene obeto aka ho wanya adwuma ye mene wo kasai we ya wonam ni tunu mu timfifire yes ne ebie na dwene mu ya ne Ghana ni nka sumusam wona ne ka sam wontene ya wo pa kire bonusum obeti ase ya mumma
katam na tonam garra so anama hawla ki tebwelto yuwala Yinyaga
yalla fifire mana moto am ntim fifire nya no wanya adwuma ye speakers di na chi a wo kasai we wo sia condition mu a bibia ne wo besua firim wo mmia ne sei ne wo sua nyansa eno ano no na koko kuani akali ni koko na ne sika dan botom onim posa ne be ko secondary school akwada ma emebusa ne taku emusa ne sempoa wontua fees wontua base Nyansa be no obesua firim bibia ni ho a obesua firim eba sa wo kan ngumasua wono wamfa ne sika nkotua base bia ti ngumasua na wo kan sa wo ye ade amada ache no wonti asio tom ampipi mpanifo emu mai magana na maswa Ghana ha gumuso na moda amona akufuado yi akwan peti kuro yi mu Person wa danen kran sa abrochiri overhead ya hodo tade ya beya oyi enkrofo firi ya man so ba o man na nim bebanya Ghana ni dabi adwene akura ya nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne ya man 5 million Satam 31 million so nka 300 and something million ai wakwa ne ya man 5 million no de ya beton chinedi no asan fa fom ko no akwaji 2 million no de abeto yi kobi sa ya shisika no Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho to no wonwene hwe na so ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsemhunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko kuani akwaji ni sika Otuko no kan ese yesika mu ensidan ensihwe eno aseda obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaje abeto dem na da ho wuwi a waka chensa wahwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai mama ba otua sika wo ya yede Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua because oya Ghana ni nkan Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition o kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so kofo na be stop we nyina ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa awo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo nwu omumfu otukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Amerikani na wa hihye da che de ama no gina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asemba fa we afutuo obi asemba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asemba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ sasai enim Kwasia we ya wagu ne ho DJ nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awu no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan otwa krom ha chese DJ na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na wo hye wo no ene wo na wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ Mrs. wa we ya we nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na okra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, Kwasia, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections, echo, and no, my Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, I may mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So I can, in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuye because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say, we have some of the hospitals in fact, they are equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say, hospitals and they go and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It's a scan of Canada was I would to me was say almost same people for for. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my for. I comfort my facilitating me on funded free seniors who some ya come for. You see, any Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Mokika. Why are they shouting? Ubian Cannon to Nankono. I saw from among common into with the greatest of it, among common to Queen in a home. Chief Imam for income to Queen in a home. Politicians income to Queen in a home. Market women on common to Queen now. Ubian Cannon to Queen in a home 2020 Jua, then you know the way forward. Yet you come over so no bow no the credit scoring system, but I must open content. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa de Sebi, ye be a kitting, ye invest square and kitting. We want everything in pieces, we don't want everything in bulk. And here same cranny. Obi my credit scoring system, also open kitting. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them kitting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Men are warning was such a message. Men are not catching Rajan the many members all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization, your status here, most of the digitalization and talking to move a kinky sika. It's a mamma papa number, or mamma kinky, and mamma added a mockum. You will come here. And you Rajan the many mamma could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, I'm only kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried him and now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey,
Remona Chapa ya hyping say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.